What's up, beautiful people? It is time to unbox a box that I'm happy about getting. Let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr. back again for another video. And as y'all can see, I'm back in the front, so it's gonna be a lot of different activity because this thing's going on at the other side of the house. Nonetheless, we are here for this box. I'm excited about what this box has to offer for each and every one of us. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Out of pure excitement, I'm gonna go nice and slow across because I don't want to cut anything that is on the inside. Baya bow, just like that. Let me go right here. Baya. Baya. Let me go right here again. Baya. And I'm gonna go right here. And baya. Y'all know how it is when you're opening a box. Oh me. Oh my. What do we have? Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have a box filled with I think you're starting to see it. Egg cartons. Oh my gosh, it looks even better in person, man. You know how you go on Amazon and you like, oh look at this, oh look at that, I wonder what this is, I wonder how that's gonna be. We have them, ladies and gentlemen. We have our own egg cartons. Haha! And the cool thing about these egg cartons is that at the 6, so this is a dozen egg carton, right? 6 on the top, 6 on the bottom. However, in the middle, it's perforated with the idea that you can break it in half. So if there's 6 on one side, cool, I can give it to others. And you know what I'm saying? I love that it says locally laid. How about that? Little LL, fresh from Happy Hens. That's right, my ladies are happy, and they are hand gathered. So everything that you see is true. Fresh eggs, boom, all that good stuff. And like I said, it can be split in half. Let me even show you what I'm talking about. Let's just say I wanted a nice little 6-pack, right? All I would do is just boom, boom, boom. How about that? And then I can put 6 here and I can put 6 there. But just to make it even more real, let's go get some eggs. Oh, and now look at these bad boys. I can do a half and a half. You see the green, you see the browns, or I can mix it up to be all browns or all greens. Let me even show you what that looks like. Ha! However I want the 6 to be, that is what it will be again, and it will sit like that. If it's in a dozen situation, it'll be just like that. But if not, it'll sit like this, 6 and 6, which I think this is oh so cute, oh so cool. And let me even show you what it looks like when you were to, and if you are to fold it. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no eggs getting through here. If that was a thought, if that was a doubt, don't doubt anymore, don't wonder anymore. These are good, hand gathered again. You know what I'm saying? Fresh from Happy Hens. Again, that is what it says because that is what it is. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, all right, great people. So obviously I'm excited, I'm happy, and I like to look at them like this, 6 and 6, half and half. Because these actually I'm giving them away tomorrow. And see, that's the beauty of having things. Y'all know I was giving stuff away with the garden. Now I'm giving things away with the hens as well as the garden. Just add on gifts, blessings on blessings, benefits on benefits. And so to be able to give it in a carton like this is a desire that I have. I'm glad for them. I'm excited to see them in the garage. And again, I'll put a link down below for these bad boys so that you can get yours too. Okay, great people. So I love y'all, man. I'm excited about what's in my box. But more than anything, I'm excited about what I have to give and share. So again, I love you. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. I love you. Peace. Haha.